Well, hello, my name is John Carna, and I'm a chemistry teacher at Amphi High School. And why am I dressed like this? Because we're having a fundraiser tonight at a bowling alley on River Road, and it's for raising funds for the district. And the theme tonight is the Munster family. And I was appointed to be Grandpa Munster. I don't know, I'm a first-year teacher here, and I don't know anything about it other than to come dressed as Grandpa Munster. It starts at, I believe, 3:30 today, 3:30, and I don't know how long it is, but I'm told it'll be a lot of fun. Well, it's been 60 years since I bowled. I bowled when I was 11, and I'm interested to see if I can make that ball go down the alley without going in the gutter. Well, I'm excited. I've given several conferences around the world to 1,000 to 2,000 people. I don't know if there'll be 2,000 people there tonight, but I'll be comfortable with how many there are.
Thank you.